Hey guys, Jason here for Campaign Sauce. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. And I tell you what, one thing that I would love to show you today, which we're going to dive into here in a second, are called automated collections or automatic collections. They can make your life so much easier inside of Shopify, especially if you have a large amount of products that you're dealing with. So let's not wait a moment longer. Let's dive in right now and check out what automatic collections look like. So we're going to do a screen share here. Go ahead and jump in. So what we've done here is I went ahead and created, for those of you who've been tracking with me here for a bit in some of these demos, you have probably seen where we have all kinds of test products entered. So I'll go ahead here. So here we have some test products. Literally, they say test product 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so really straightforward stuff. And you will also notice that in the past, we have created a manual collection. And by manual collection, that means when you go in, you have to add all of these guys by hand, right? So you go ahead and use your search bar, and then you can just go ahead and type up like, well, you can just go ahead and type in, the word test, right? So here are all your products. And look, I haven't added test product 5, so I can go ahead and add that one by hand, okay? So this is very easy to do just with these 5 test products. However, if you have hundreds and hundreds of products, which many of you do, you're not going to want to sit down and enter these guys by hand all the time. So with that in mind, we're going to go ahead and create a brand new collection, and that is called an automated collection. All right, so here we are on the collections page inside the back end of a Shopify demo store, create collection. Okay, so we're just going to call this the automatic test collection. Okay, and we're going to skip the paragraph for now. Notice right here, it's automated. Before we had chosen manual, so we're going to say automated. Now here are all of the drop-down boxes where you can create conditions. So since I know that all of these guys are called test product 1, test product 2, I'm just going to do something really simple here. Notice all of your examples here. You have product title, product type, who makes it, what tag did you give it, what kind of price, right? So if you want to have a bargain basement collection, you can do that. Okay, so, or even variance title, that's good. So let's just go to product title, and I'm going to say contains the word test. Okay, so that is everything of my products over here, everything in my inventory that has the word test will get put into this collection. Okay, so let's go ahead and do a save. All right, so now let's go back and take a look. Notice here are all 5 of my test products that were placed in here automatically, okay? So this is really handy. So if you have a giant collection like that's called menswear, okay, and you want to do the product title contains the word men's, all right, then everything else that has the word men's in it is going to go here. If you want to have your product title contains the word shoe or hiking boot or whatever, you can go ahead and add that in, right? And all of those products will just fall right into your collection there very easily. And of course, it's all going to be automatic. So it's going to be one of the fun, quick, and easy ways that you can go ahead and navigate through your Shopify store, especially when you have massive products there. So anyway, well, if you guys have a huge amount of products, this is a great tool to begin using. Will be the automated collections. So with that, if we can do anything to help you in your Shopify store, holy cow, we would absolutely love to hear from you and love to see you. So if there's anything that we can do for you, by all means, go ahead and give us a call. We are here at Campaign Sauce. Head over to our website, campaignsauce.com, and you can click on the chat bar, and we'll go ahead and get back to you there. Or you can drop over to my Facebook page, Campaign Sauce Digital Marketing, and you can hit the message button there. So with that, you guys, take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.